Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start a home renovation with HomeAdvisor, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by clearly defining your renovation goals and what you want to achieve. Consider the areas of your home that need the most attention. Decide whether you're looking to do a full renovation or just specific updates. Set a realistic budget that includes materials, labor, and unforeseen costs. Research average costs for your desired renovations to ensure your budget is aligned. Visit the HomeAdvisor website to explore resources and tools available for homeowners. Use the HomeAdvisor cost guide to get a better idea of pricing in your area. Create a detailed list of the renovations you want to undertake. Prioritize these items based on necessity and budget constraints. Next, gather inspiration by browsing design blogs, magazines, and social media platforms. Save images and ideas that resonate with your vision. Once you have a clear idea, start documenting your project timeline. Establish a starting date and estimated completion date for your renovations. Now it's time to find professionals who can help. Utilize HomeAdvisor's platform to search for local contractors and specialists. Read reviews and compare different service providers based on your needs. Request quotes from several contractors to help you make an informed choice. Don't hesitate to ask for references or look at past work examples. Schedule interviews with potential contractors to discuss your project. During the interview, ask about their experience with similar renovations. Clarify your vision and ensure they understand your expectations. Once you choose a contractor, review and sign a detailed contract. Make sure the contract outlines the scope of work, timeline, and payment terms. Stay in regular communication with your contractor throughout the project. This helps ensure that everything is going as planned and any issues are addressed promptly. As renovations begin, keep track of expenses to stay within budget. If changes arise, discuss them with your contractor and how they will impact your budget and timeline. Lastly, once the project is complete, take some time to assess the work done. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.